All right, this one can be just a little bit more difficult because we are trying to figure out how we get from this equation A1 to the second one B1 to the third one C1. Now it looks like A1 to B1 is the same. So we're going to be timesing by 1. Wait, how do we transform system A into system B? Okay, so since this A1, B1, C1, they all just stay the same, we want to look at the second equation. So it looks like what we're doing, we have to look at the number part. So it's going from -7 to -21. So we're probably timesing by 3. So I double check, 6 times 3 is 18, 14 times 3 is 42. So that's true. So we took equation 2, a sub 2, timesed it by 3. Oh, we have to click this first. Oh, we can't because this is an example. So we would put, we timesed, right here, we timesed that by 3 to get the equation 2. Then we're going to look and see, well, how did we get this equation right here? It looks like the x's are gone. So we probably had to times, let's see, let's think about this. The x's are gone. So we have to times B1 by a -7 and then add it to B2. So we're going to times B1 by a -7 and then add it to B2 to get equation C2. So let's see if they did that. There we go. So you kind of have to see what is going on to get from one to the other. So A1, okay, we're doing something to A1 to get to B1. Maybe, wow, okay, so this is, B2 stayed the same. Looks like, how did they get x minus 12y equals 27? Wow, I don't even, Could they have timesed and then added to B2? Could they have timed something by this to then added? I don't think so. Times, well, if I did a negative, I mean, they didn't eliminate any. Oh, did they divide by 7? No, because that would be 3/7. Whoa, I can't even, yeah, this is a really tough. Okay, I'm gonna pause for a minute while I think about it. Okay, this is what I think. I think this is exactly right. I think we times the second one by 3 and add it to the first one. I'm going to type it so I don't forget. So if I times this by 3, I get a -6 plus 7 is going to give me a positive x. 3 times a -5 will be a -15 plus 3 would give me a -12. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 15 is 27. Okay, so that's how they got the first one. Holy cow. Okay, this one, they're going to, okay, so I bet they times this by 2 and then added, okay, wait, let me write this down before I forget. B sub 2. So if we times this by 2, will this work? So 2 minus 2 would be 0. -24 minus 5 is a -29. 54 plus 4 is 58. Okay, so that's what they did. Wow, so sometimes you got to really think outside the box on these. These are tough. Okay, here we go. Let's do another one. All right, so looks like they got rid of the y. So guaranteed, I bet you they times the bottom one by a -3 and then added the top one. So let's see, times the bottom one by -3. I always like to just type it before I decide if it's true. So this is going to be 12. Wait, so if I times this by a -3, that's going to be a positive 12 plus a -5. Oh, that'd be 7. This would be a negative, not 3. How about 2? Would that work? So this is going to be an 8. Oh, yes, that will work. So 8 minus 5 is 3. This is going to be a -6, and 6, that goes to 0. and times it by -2. So -8 plus 14 is 6. Okay, that works. Then, oh, all I did here was divide b sub 1 by 3. So I took b sub 1. Oh, if you're going to divide, that means you're timesing by 1/3. So if I do 1/3 times 3 is 1, and 6 times 1/3 is 2. Okay, that works. And let's just do one more for fun. Oh, look, this looks like I times that by 2. So I did. I times a sub 2 by 2. We're right up right here. Just times it by 2. Okay, if I'm eliminating the y's, I bet I times this one by 5 and then added. So times b sub 1 by 5, add b sub 2 to get c sub 2. So times by 5 would be 35 minus 16 is 19. Negative 10 plus 10 is 0. Negative 26 plus 8. Uh-oh. Wait, what did I times by? Oh, I times by 5. So I'm going to guess that's true. I don't know. I could figure that out. Okay, fine. So 130 divided by 2 is 65. So negative 65 plus 8 is a negative 57. Okay, got it. Good. Okay, that's the end of the lesson. That was a tough one.